Alright guys, we are on another one. And aren't you surprised to see me working on something other than a train? Got a good one here. Oh, and this is a 2013, so she should have 410A refrigerant in it. Factory charge 410A. So I've gone in the house. The filter is clean. I have turned the thermostat on. The blower did come on. And nothing is happening out here. I thought I heard it come on from inside, but it did not. There we go. Uh-oh. We have no fan motor. Kind of a dirty little setup here. Definitely hadn't had any maintenance in a while. Probably since 2013. So, as I usually do, I clean things up a little bit just for my own sanity. Cobwebs and all that crap drives me fucking insane. I like to be able to see what I'm looking at. Pardon my French. Anyway, so get all of that out. That looks like the OEM motor. Let's see if she's, and she's a free spinner, so it's not locked up. So next thing we're going to check is our capacitor, and let's find out what that thingamadoodle is doing. I don't know what size it is, but we're getting ready to find out. Might this be the call I've been waiting for? That's a 40x5. I've yet to bust my YouTube cherry with a bad capacitor. Everybody else has changed them 30,000-40,000 times. But I have yet to post a video of finding a bad capacitor on YouTube. Might this be the one I've been waiting for? The one that's going to put me over the top, where I can finally feel like I've done something. We're going to find out. Probably just jinxed myself. Probably got windings open on the damn motor. So it's Friday afternoon, and I hope that ain't it, because I don't want to be screwing around with a fan motor and a good one. So let's verify our voltage. Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. So let's check our capacitor now. This is going to be our common side, our red and our purple. And this is going to be our fan. And then now keep in mind, could be the defrost board. Sometimes on these good ones, that relay for the fan motor on the defrost board is what only reason. It does happen from time to time. So let me go ahead and check that real quick and add to the suspense of this. Uh-oh. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. I went one step past it. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, so our relay on our defrost board is closed. Let's see what our capacitor is reading. It's common. That's Herm over here on this side, I'm pretty sure. And that's where our fan came from. So, our compressor side is reading 33.5. And our fan side is reading 0.069. Congratulations to myself. Guys, I'm about to change my first capacitor on YouTube. And I'm so excited to join that club. You just don't know what's going through my mind right now. My blood pressure, my heart rate's going up. I'm just excited to finally join the capacitor club on YouTube. Let me go get a capacitor. I'll be right back. Holy shit. I'm so happy. All right, guys, we got a 45 or 40 by 5 capacitor. I mean, I'm just beside myself that I've finally gotten this opportunity. I feel like I don't know, I feel like one of these new celebrities at the Oscars or the Emmy Awards. I'm just so blessed with this opportunity to do this for you. It's just been, I want to thank everybody I've worked with, past managers and bosses and supervisors, and of course, you know, you always got to thank your parents and all that good stuff. A capacitor. You just feel like you made it. You know, you feel like, woo! You feel like Ric Flair. First time he won the World Heavyweight Championship. So let's get it wired up. We'll get our commons. Let's get our Herm wire connected back here. Get this. And what was the mistake I made? So excited, guys. I'm so excited. I just skipped an important step. Let's make sure the damn capacitor I got off the truck is good out of the box. We've all seen that before. 40 by 5. Now I'm smelling success. This is just so exciting. Of course, remember, on the wires, if they slide on and off too easy, you got to go in here and kind of just snug them down a little bit. You don't want a loose wire on a capacitor. It'll melt at some point in time, especially on the Herm. That one's tight, that's tight, that's tight. All right, guys, here's the moment of truth. Let's put the disconnect in. And because it's a Goodman, you know we got to check the charge, because they leak. They leak, babe. They leak. Oh my God, we've got a compressor, we've got a fan running. I'm just so excited about this. Let's get some probes on this thing and see what the charge is. That one's on there a little snug. This thing run a bit. As everybody knows, you let a Goodman run for a few minutes before you judge the charge. You just don't turn it on and go, oh, it's low. You gotta let a Goodman run a while. It's just the nature of what a Goodman is. Turn on these job lengths. I'm getting some good heat out of the top. I hope that's a good sign. Suction pressure's coming on up. We'll put a temperature clamp on it because I'm pretty sure, being a Goodman, the only thing good about a Goodman is there's a good possibility there's a piston up there and not a crap-ass TXV. Yeah, I mean, why would Goodman waste money on a TXV though, right? Unless it's that external one they put on the case coils. But this one's not. It's a heat pump. We'll run it a little bit. Pressures are looking good. Suction pressures still steadily coming up. It takes about 10 minutes for one of these to stabilize. My head pressure's at 330. It's 80 degrees in the house. So that suction pressure's coming up. That subcoolant is starting to drop. I'm pretty sure there's a piston in there. But guys, I just want to say I appreciate this honor of being able to change a capacitor for a YouTube video. I want to thank the directors, the producers, the editors, the musical staff, does the sound, the music, all that stuff, the key grip, engineers, all those people that made this moment possible. I appreciate you guys watching, appreciate you subscribing, continue to do so. Hope you enjoy the content. Changed my first capacitors, guys. I'm gonna get drunk this weekend. I'm gonna celebrate my first YouTube capacitor. 4th of July weekend is gonna be smoking now. What a way to get it started. Appreciate you watching, guys.